stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items when they are shifted during flight. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach your gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. For customers requesting a wheelchair on arrival, we advise you upon reaching the gate when assistance is available to disembark the aircraft. If this is your final destination and you checked any luggage, you can go ahead and reclaim those at baggage claim number 8. Once again, if Salt Lake City is your final destination and you checked any luggage, you can reclaim those at baggage